Let's move it out.
Come on. I was only parked there for a minute.
This ain't a job for making new friends, is it?
I thought you'd been into some repo work.
Yeah, that's true.